In this question, we have to find all pairs with a given sum. We have given two unsorted arrays. We have to find all pairs whose sum equals to x. And we have to also check if there are two pairs, then first element of first pair and should be smaller than the second pair's first element. Here, suppose in this output these are two pairs, then first element from first pair should be less than first element from second pair. And in this case, suppose these are two elements, then first element of first pair should be less than first element of second pair. Now what we will do, we will iterate over this array. Suppose we will iterate it in I variable. So we will check the condition if x minus I in array 2. Then we will create another array. Name of that array is answer. If this condition is true, so what we will append in answer? Element I and x minus I. Check this. Suppose I is 1. So x minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is 8. So we will check that 8 is in array 2. So this condition holds true. So in answer arrays, we will add 1, 8. Now value 5 is 2. So we will check 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 is not in this array 2. So come here, I is equals to 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 is present here. So we will add 4, 5 here. Now value 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we will check 4 in array 2. It is present. So we will add 5, 4 here. Now value of 5 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 is not present in array 2. So nothing will add here. And in this case, all first elements are in sorted order. But suppose there is case if the element is not sorted, so we will sort this answer array. And we will return this answer array as output. Let's see the code. We will check if x minus I in array 2. If condition holds true, then in answer array we will append I, x minus I, and then finally we will sort that answer array. And return answer.